So I want to walk you guys through how to add transitions to a Google Slides presentation. Now, there's a few different things we can do with these transitions. Um, with my experience, I think it's best to build out your entire presentation and then come back and add the transitions or animations because it's just easier to think through it once you have a full picture. You can reuse the same transitions, etc. But I have a fake presentation here that I'm going to walk you through. As you can see, this slide has these circles on it, and that is the transition indicator. So I'm actually going to, if you double click, I'm sorry, left click, no, right click, you get the menu and you can open up the transitions here. Close this, or you can go to slide and transition here as well to get the same thing. So I am going to remove all of our transitions, and you can see that indicator is now gone away. So we're going to add in a new presentation. So let's say this is our title slide. Don't want any animations here because this is where we're going to start our presentation. But we do want to transition between these two slides. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually add it to this slide here by going to our transition. So again, right click transition, and it's very, very simple. So here this says none. We're actually going to go and choose, let's say, slide from the right. So it's going to come in from the right, and we're going to choose how fast we want it to come in. So I'm going to say 2.2 seconds, and I'm going to hit play. And that's too slow. So we're going to speed that up. Oh, hit stop, speed it up to 1 second, and hit play. That's much better. So that is a very simple transition. Now, what we can also do with everything on this page, we can add object animations. And to do that, we're going to have to select the item that we want to add the transition to. So this one, now that it's selected, I can add an animation and I can choose what I want to happen. So let's say I want it to fade in, and I'm going to do either, so after previous, so the previous transition is the page changing that we just set up. So I can have it do its a fade in after that or with it. So actually, let's just play with it. So if I hit that, you can see they kind of go at the same time. And if I click after and replay it, so that one, they're so similar, man. I don't really even know which one was better here, but I'm just going to slow that down. And we'll hit play again. So you'll see that it just pops up like that. It's not bad. I can do all aspects on this page, except for this background, because it won't let me select it. Let's say I wanted to do this section here. Actually, do this line. Let's do that line. Add animation. We can do fly out to bottom. Not on click, but after previous, and we'll hit play. So we'll see how all these things now work together. Oh, fly out is the wrong one. We would want it to fly in from the bottom. So let's fix that. So it slides, appears, and then flies in right there. After previous, we could do it with the previous, so everything is happening at the same time. So flies, boom, boom. And we would probably want it to be at the same speed as the fade in. So this is, what is that? 1.8 seconds. So this one would probably be 1.8 seconds again. So I'm gonna hit preview one more time. So transition. I'm not sure why it's not going at the same time, but that's okay. Oh, because this one says after previous, so we'll do with previous. Yeah, it's still not going at the same time. I'm not sure. I'm sure there's a way that you can get them to happen at the same time. Now I'm going to go to the stop, go to the next slide, and I can choose what I want to happen next. So we'll do flip and hit play just to see what it looks like. Cool. Hit stop. And I'm just going to take all of these images. Let's just hit shift and click, and I'm going to add an animation. And we're going to choose to fade in. Actually, let's do zoom in. So we have to flip, zoom. That's not right. Let's do zoom out. Flip. Oh, because it's on click. Got it. Okay, let's try this again. So this should not be on click. It should be with previous. Do, do. All right, there we go. So, oh, it's just up here. All right, let me fix these so we can have them all. Where is it? Zoom in. But you can see, right? I can get super granular with how I want every aspect or every element in our presentation to transition. This is probably gonna look crazy. Let's try it. Boop, doop. Perfect. I mean, it's not perfect. I am just literally just demoing this for you. And now I can hit the slideshow and you'll see that this, if I go to the next slide, has all of the transitions that we just built in. Flip, zoom, and we're done. And you can do that for every single one of your slides. So yeah, I hope this helps you. If it does, please like and subscribe. That's just a quick demo on how to add transitions to Google Slides. See you next time. Bye.